What's up guys, it's Mr. DS18 and welcome to another unboxing video. In a previous video I showed you guys the PS10, our new power sports, motorsports, Jeep sub, which is water resistant. Why is it water resistant? Because it has a PPI cone, rubber surround. So pretty much you can install it anywhere, some water can fall on it and it's not going to destroy the speaker. So now we're introducing the new PSW 12. We got the single 12, we got the dual 2 ohms, and then we got the dual 4 ohms. We have the single connected to our bench where we have a Candy 5 channel. We're using the subwoofer level. So we're underpowering it so you guys can see if the 10 can get down and can do some flexing. Let's see what this 12 can do. So some specs on this guy. So here we have, this is the 4 ohm single setup, 600 watts RMS, 1200 watts max power. We got 85 dBs. Recommended frequency response is 80 hertz, but the frequency response on the speaker is actually 20 hertz all the way to 600 hertz. It has a 3-inch voice coil, ferrite magnet, and PPI cone, rubber surround, steel basket. Now let's show you guys real quick. Let's move this around a bit. This is the dual 4 ohm. Check that out. Check out the back plate. It's big, nice connectors. It's actually shallow, very shallow. Check that out. 600 watts RMS, guys. 1200 watts max power. 12 inches. This would be great also in the Jeep side boxes. Will fit perfectly. Give you that bass, that thump if you guys like. Nice, nice. Okay, so let's do what everybody wants to see. This baby, move some air. Let me turn on here. Amp is on. Let's sync the phone up. Let's go back here. And here we go. All right. Let's see what we got here. Let's take this box out of the way. And so this tone starts, check that out. Check that out. Let's change the song. Whoa. Lower frequency. Check that out. Pounds a lot. This baby can get down. And it's a shallow sub. This baby gets low. There we go. Check that out. Next track. Check that out. Look at that. I'm telling you guys, this thing flexes. I like it. Let's see what else we have here. Let's see what else we have. 20 hertz. Look at that. This is 25 hertz. Check that out. Check that out. It's a sweep. Oh wow. This thing is bouncing. I'm impressed. 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 That's what this bad boy can do. I'm impressed. Make sure you guys check it out. The PSW series, dual 4, dual 2, single 4. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it loud.